Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If it is your first time, please subscribe. That will support me too much. So in this video, I will teach you the W3.CSS framework. This is a framework used for styling your web page. And this framework is developed by W3 organization. As you know, W3 organization maintain and update the current HTML technologies, HTML5, CSS, and all those stuffs. So it is an alternative for Bootstrap. So open your browser and type w3.css. So here we go in this link, w3.css.com. Yeah, w3schools.com. So here we can see a quality alternative for Bootstrap. It means instead of Bootstrap, you can use this framework because it's much smaller, faster, and easier to use. It's responsive and mobile first framework. It does not need any JavaScript or jQuery file, and it supports all desktop, laptop, tablet, mobile, and all the also these browsers. So let's see how can we use this framework. So if you want to use this framework, first of all, you need to add the link of this framework in your website or your web page. You can use, you can copy this link or you can download the w3.css file. So if you want to use this link, so you can just copy this link. Okay, I copy and so I open my uh, Visual Studio Code for this Visual Studio Code. And I'm here inside a folder called web, which is in my desktop. This is the folder which I'm opening web. Okay. So here I create a file, HTML file, index. I call it index.html. And I put the title w3.css, whatever title you want. So let's make it this one bigger. Okay. And here in this section, in the H section, I paste this link. As you can see, this is a link tag and the relationship is style sheet, of course. And the href or the link for this framework is w3.css website or w3schools.com. So let's test it. As you know, all the CSS framework contains a collection of classes. If you want to style your web page, you need to add those classes in your HTML elements. And you should remember always the W3, if you use the W3.css in your website, the class name, the class name always, always starts with W3. W3 dash, like if you want to use background color for like say gray. If you want to use for text color, W3 dash text dash read. If you want to use a container class, W3 dash container you can use. It's very easy to use. Only it's very good that you can remember this name because it starts all of the classes in this framework start with W3. You can see W3-gray, it changed the background color into gray. W3-text-read, it changed the text color of an HTML to the read, an HTML element into read, and W3-container. So let's test it, this working or not. Okay. So here, I create a div with class container, not container, W3-container. So let's create like this. Let's make it easier. We have a div. So inside div, we have like, let me put an h1 element, like I say, w3.css framework. Okay. And here I add a p element, and I can write here this framework is free, modern, and modern, responsive. Okay, and alternative to the Bootstrap. Okay, this is our class. So I want to apply some style here. So first of all, I need to add a class called W3-container. It's a container. It means it gives your website equal margin and padding. And we can also change the background color W3 dash, I say orange. Okay. As we said, all the classes start with W3. Here you can see. Let's open it into the Open Live server. Yeah, as you can see, the background color of this page is orange, and it's also applied the W3 container class, which give you 16 pixels more padding in the right and 16 pixel padding in the left. So let's go to the website. Okay, the website of W3. So here, let's get started. This is the introduction part. As you can see, it has different colors. If you want to use, you can use W3-color. If you, as a background color, we have W3-container, which create a container for you, common margins, common paddings, common vertical alignments. Font color, you can use this class with these elements. We have panels, different panels. You just use W3-panels. We have used, with, background color red, like the text is white. Well, okay. They're all the colors we can use, different colors you can use. You just need to add this class W3-color if you want to change the background color. If you want to change the text color, you use W3-text color. So let's change the background color to the red and the text color to the white. So here, the background color is now orange. So I change this one to the red. Okay. If you go to the website, oh, this website, yeah, our website, it's become red. And the text is automatically white. You can change it. And so if I want to like use different color in this text, I can use it. So, so here, if I want to change W3-read, let's change it the text color. And I want to remove the background color. And now if you can see here, we don't have any background color. If I want the text color to the right, so what I do, I go there and write W3 dash, sorry, W3 dash text. Okay, now go there and check the website. Yeah, even you can, change the text. If it's mouse hover, you can change it. Like if the text is mouse hovered, I can change that one. Like I can say W3 dash text dash or dash. I can say whenever it's over, text should change from red to the orange. Orange. Okay. Oh, let's save it. We have W3 dash text, W3 dash over the text. Okay. W3 dash over. Let's say if you go there, background color should change. Yeah. If you over, look. This is amazing. This is amazing. And it is very easy to use. So let's go to the, like you can add the border, you just need to use W3. So let's go to the container. We already use W3 dash container, so you can use with this container with a div, article, section, and header, footer. Like you can say, if you want to have an header, so you can do this, or if you want to have a section, like in HTML5, we have section, so we can use this class with the section. So we can say class is equal to W3 dash container. Yes, container. I say the color should be dash. The background color should be W3 dash tell. And here I can write some text here. I say it's H2, and I say it's about London. And here you can use the lorem to create a text for you. And if you can see here, we use the class and I save this, and now I go to the website. If you can see, now I have a section. I can use this with article, with footer, with header, whatever. So how you can create a panel in this? So you can go. So we say how can you use for header, for footer, whatever you can use a W3 dash del. It's become header. Like you can use this one for a header. We have the header. So it should be a header only because I don't need the p tag. So only here put W3 dash container. So here I remove this and W3 dash the text color should be tell. And now you can see, yeah, this is the header, but let's change the color, because it's like, I don't know, different colors. So this one, W3 dash gray. Save it and check it the website. Okay, let's see others. If you want to create a panel, let's go panel. We have a W3 panel class. It adds some 16 pixel tall at the top of the panel and 16 pixel at the bottom, and also left and right of any elements. So let's go there. Let's create a panel. Let's create a panel. So let's say I remove this and I create div dot w3 dot panel. Yeah, sorry, w3. We can create a panel, and also it has a w3 dash read. And inside we can say H2, and we say London. And here I create a p element like lorem. If you can see here, now we have used the panel. How it looks, let's check it. This is a panel. If you can see, it has some padding or margin on the top and padding on the left and the right. As it says, it create W3-panel class adds 16 pixel top and bottom margin and 16 pixel left and right padding. Okay. You can use this panel for notes, like it uses different colors. You can use this color, whatever color you want to use, or you can use for quotations. Like if you have any quotation, you can use this. Okay. And then if you want to change the font color, you can use the font family W3-serif, W3-all. You can check also the code here. It will make like this. So use multiple classes, panel, left bar. It has a left bar here, and also other classes like the color is become sand. It's a color, background color, and the font become W3 extra large. if you want to use, like here, make it the text larger, like you can use W3 dot W3, oh sorry, dash large class. Let's add the border, W3 dash border, and we can check it. Oh, save it and check it. So here, if you can see W3 dash panel, it should read, it should be large, or you can say extra large, whatever you can just give them. And then apply in this text. Okay, let's go to this was for panel. Like you can apply this left bar if you want. You just copy and use it in your code, panel, put here, Command S, and let's check it on the browser window. It has a left bar, you can see here a left bar. So this is how can you use it. The W3 schools. Let's go for borders. As I told you, it has, the class W3 dash border, border top, border left. Uh, this is a top W3 dash border. This is a border text. Just need to add this one and border dash color. Let's see how we can use the border. So we have a div with W3 a dash container W3 dot dash border with W3 dash border dash read. Okay, this is and here I put a P. Uh, this is a simple paragraph I can write here. Okay, now let's go and check it. Sorry, we should need to go to the look. This is a border, This is a border, and the border color is also red. So the class is W3 dash border dash read, rounded border dash. You can use the round dot size. Here, as you can see here, W3 dash round is small, W3 dash round, W3 dash round large. Let's go here at W3 dash round dash small for this, and I will copy this and create another one. W3 dash border read. This one should be orange, but I want to change this one to the large. It should have a round background around border. It should be large. So let's see. Yeah, as you can see here, it is a a rounded border here. So you can use the card. It has a class W3 dash card. W3 dash card. It create a card for you, like W3 dash card. You can change the color to the yellow. So if you want to use a card, let's use it. It's easy. Just right here, Dave with class W3 dash card. Code p tag. This is a card. If you go to the page, look at this is a car. You can see. Obviously, you can see. You can change the background, the color of this card. So you can say W3 dash card dash. I say let's make it blue. Where is the, what? I saved or not? Check it here. Okay, W3 dash card, W3 dash yellow. Okay, it is a background. Sorry. So you didn't have such kind of things. You can adjust to display colored card just had W3 dash color. Okay, so we don't have these classes. You just say W3 dash blue and it'll become blue. Yeah, now you can see it's a card. So let's go to another one. So dash yellow, okay, either footer dash card. So let's go to the defaults. So it says W3 pages are easy to read, even those people cannot read. They have difficulties to reading a text. The default font size is 15 pixel, and the font family is Verdana, and the default line space is 1.5. It's very good, very good. If you use for H1 to H6 for heating purpose, it has 36 pixel. For the heading 1, for heading 2, it becomes 30 pixels. It's becoming smaller and smaller even till 16 pixel. We have also font size classes like W3-teeny, dash small, dash medium, dash large, dash extra large. Let's use it this teeny, small, medium. So let's get it here. Like I only use a p tag here. Sorry, a p tag with W3 classes. E.W3. You always start with dot. It means it's a class. Teeny. Yeah. This is tiny text. And let's add another paragraph. P with W3 dash small. Yeah. This is a small paragraph. Let's add another P with medium. Yeah. With class medium. W3 dash medium. Medium. Medium text. Okay. Save it and see on the website. Yeah, this is tiny text, this is a small paragraph, this is medium. You can make it larger. You have different classes like large, X large. Like if I want to make this one as X large, you need only change this X large. And here it's become X large. Save it and see on the web page. It's become X large. You can make it larger. So W3-Jumbo is the most large. Wow. Let's Jumbo use this class in our code. Jumbo. Yeah, this is really large. It's amazing, amazing. This framework has, like cool framework. You can override also if you want. You can add your font size, no problem. It will override. Let's go use the font for this class. We have, as I told you, the W3 school use the font family Verdana is the default font, but you can, use other font as well. This is this CGUI is default font for headings, and for others, this font is. Like you can see, font family. You can change it, no problem. But you can use the font family like this: W3-serif, sans serif, monospace. Like this, let's use this class serif, W3-serif. So let's change it, the class of this W3-serif. Okay, if I save this, it's become the serif. Font is now changed. You can use other classes like sans serifs for the Jumbo. I can use for the Jumbo. Yeah, look, it's changed. The font family is changed to sans serif. So you can use this font as well. Like it's built-in classes like serif. So monospace. This is the monospace. If you want to use the monospace, like I can go there and create a p tag. I say lorem. And something to view. Word wrap. So I can see this text. And the class should be W3. What was the class equal to? Yeah, W3 monospace. Let's see how it looks on the website. Yeah, this is the font. Nice. And make it bigger. So you know how to make it bigger. Yes, you can use W3 dash X large. Okay, and check it. Yeah, it's become bigger. So this is for the font. Mm, what's the Google says? Okay, you can use the Google font also. Like this is Roboto. This is like different font. You know. So how you can use it? You can add this library in your this class. You can add this class this link to the heading of web page, and you can use this font family Roboto, Sans Serif, whatever you want. So let's go to the text. Okay, we can align the text left or right, like W3 dash right align, W3 dash left align, W3 dash, I think center, it will go into center. So let's do it. So I say this one is W3. Let's, like I say, like I can create a Dave, or I can create an H1. Let's see an H1. Like I say center. Or I can say this takes the center. So what should you do? You use a class called W3-center. If you go there and check the website, it's on the center of the screen. And if I want to change, like, let's add another one, like H2. And I say this should be on the left side. So this is, this text is, this is in the left side. Okay, so I do here, I can add a class called W3-line left, and I can add another p, or I can just copy this and add it here and write W3-right. It's on the right side. I can change this. Save it and check it on the website. Wow, this takes a center. What happened? So we have W3-right align, left align, right align. Okay, yeah, it's different. So we need to right align. First right, then align. Right dash align. And this one is, you can delete this part. Left dash align. Okay. Save it. Yeah, this takes a center. This is right side. This is left side, as you can see. Okay, this for the text. Centering the elements. You can use the weight. It will create a wider text. W3-weight. You can use W3-opacity, like W3-panel, W3-pink, but you can use for the text like W3 this text opacity, the text become like you can use it brighter or so you can use these things. Text shadow, you have the class W3-blue, the background color, but you can use the text shadow. Spatial effects, W3-opacity, whatever, it's for like this. We started for the round as well, like it's great W3 round, X round. You already see this. So this is the classes for if you want to create a rounded border. You can use the padding. You can use the padding W3-padding dash large. So if you use W3-padding dash 16, add 16 pixel to the top and bottom padding to an element. W3-padding 24, it adds top and bottom 24, like this. W3-padding 16, 24, 32, whatever call. This is the belted classes. You just check it. W3 dash. Let's see. We have here dash padding. It has padding. So let's add it some. Okay, in this class we can add also W3. W3 dash yellow. The background, if you can see here. Now we have a background color, but we want to add some padding. So here I had W3 dash padding dash 32. Let's check it. You know, look, now the padding is increased, 32 pixel from the top and the bottom. You can use the padding class, like, let's go for, we have also small or large, whatever. If you use this W3-padding, it will add 8 pixel top and bottom and 16 pixel right and left. So you can use the margin class. Let's go to the margin class. Okay, if you had some W3-margin, it adds a 16 pixel margin to all side of an element margin. Like if you have two elements in your web page, like if you say here, W3, I just change the background color for this orange. Now see, I want to add more margin between them. We have margin, but I want to add more. So you can use this class or this class, whatever you want. By default, it has 16 pixels, so W3-margin, I can add this here. W3-margin. Now we have a margin from left, right, and also top and bottom. Let's add some background color for this as well. W3 dash gray. Yeah. Now you have margin, so you can add margin left, margin right. If you add W3-section, it's the same like this. The first one, W3-margin. Okay, we have also the display if you want. It's like, display classes on the CSS. If you want to position your elements, you can use these classes. Container, top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right, whatever, it's showing here. W3 dash display dash container. Then we have W3 dash display top left. Then we have different buttons. Let's go to buttons. W3 dash button. We have a class W3 dash button or button. We have W3 dash button. It's a gray. This one it's a shadow one, also a black. W3 dash bar. It's create a bar. That's W3 dash block. It creates a full weight 100% block for you. A full weight. Circle can be used to find circle button. Ripple can be used to create a ripple effect. So let's create like an input. Look, W3 dash button and it's black. So let's create a button for this. So here I want to create a button. Okay, I say this is a button. The text is button and class is equal to W3 dash btn W3 dash black. Let's check. It's a button. You can see it has also a hour effect button. You can change to this one to the right. There's a read button, you can see this is a button. You can make a center so you can see W3 dash center. Haven't. Okay, maybe we can use inside a div, W3 dash center. If you want, we can use it inside a div, I think. I want to center, like W3 dash center, but it's not working. Maybe we can use it block, then it will work. W3 dash block, full width. Where's the button? Okay. You can see it's a block button. It takes the full weight of the page. If you can inspect also, you can see it takes the full weight of the page. But you can put this one inside container, so it should have some margin and padding. We have different buttons, like you can use the black one, the yellow, purple, You can use only W3 dash button or BTN for overcolor, W3 dash button, W3 dash over dash read, like green. You can use this one as also as a button, no problem. W3 dash read, W3 dash hover dash grain, I say grain. Save it. If you can see there, if you hover it, it become grain. So you can use it different. Round also, you can use round button, like I can use W3 dash round large. Yeah, now it's rounded, you can see this is a round button. So you can use a lot of things. We have alerts, different alerts, danger, like it's like a danger, that you can use it a background and color of free, class of panel, warnings. You just need to change this. It's very easy. Success, if you want to use this kind of thing. So it's very easy to use. You just need to, like, if I want to use, you can say here, Dave W3 dash panel with class of dot W3 dash read. Yeah, now I can create here H, like I can create an H3. London, then paragraph, Lorem. Sorry, let's go to the website. You can see this is like, a panel, like you say you can use this an alert, if you can change the sexes, like it should be green. The color you need to change to green. You can see here, this is the sexes. Okay. Sexes message you can use for danger, whatever you want. So it's really easy, you can easily create such kind of things. You just need to add a class, you can create different tables. You just need to add W3-table class. If you go there, you can see it's a table, W3-table class. But you can use table-shaped. It will be like this. Table bordered. You can use different list, W3-UL. It will create a list for you like this. W3-border. It will create a border for your list. Mm. You can give it an either, like, names, like then you can add it, list as a card, whatever. Let's go to the input. You can create a form. You need only W3-input if you want, like W3. If you want to create, it's easy. Just say like, if I want to create a form here. So here I say create a form with class W3 dash container. Okay. Action should be, for now I don't need action, so here I can say a label like for name, and here I say name. All right, input type equal to text. Like I can say name. Also can copy this, but you need to add, W3-input class for every one of this. Class is equal to W3-input. If you want to class another one, label, let's say email. Oh, sorry. This one is the ID. And this one here, I write email. I write here input, IB email. Yes. Name is email, ID to email, and also class is equal to W3-input. You don't forget this class. If I save this and go to the website, you can see here we have a form, like name, then we have email, then we can have a button, like as you can say, we can add a button, input type button. Yes. So we can say value is equal to register, but we can add the classes. Classes like we can add, it was W3 dash button, W3 dash green. So we can save it and see. Okay, where is the button? Register, but we need to, like here, mm, make it block, W3 dash block. Or here, bigger. Yeah. You can use register, and you can use also W3 dash. What was that? W3 dash margin. Yeah, margin also from top, bottom, left, right. So this is what you can see. You can create a farm. So we have a lot of things here. You can use accordion. It will, when you click, it will open like this. Accordion. You have the classes for this one, W3-I, W3 dash. You can have drop down accordion, button accordion. It's like, you can use this. But you don't need to. One thing which I really don't like, some developer, believe that they needs to, uh, memorize the code. Memorize the code. Just go and it's on the website of that technology. You can see the documentation. You can use the navigation. It's very easy to use navigation as well. Like you have the class W3-bar, block, the bar item, sidebar. It's create a sidebar for you, mobile first responsive, drop down hover. You know, if you can see here, if you want to create a bar, it should be black and it should be, like this. Let's create a menu, like this. So what I do here, I need to create a div. Inside the div, I need to create an A tag. Yes. Okay. It refresh and I say this one is home. Yes, I want to copy this. Home. Mm, Services. Like about. And this one should be contact. So if you want to make it a navigation bar, so you have to add a class for the parent element, the 3-bar, and for wild element, you need to add class W3-bar dash IT. I need to copy this class for all of our classes. For our elements in this element, another one. Okay. Now, if you save and check it, yeah, look for this. No, oh, for the home also, you can paste it. Yeah, sorry. What about the home? Yeah, we have the home class. Mm, Okay. It's a, as you can see, this is a navigation bar. If you want to make it black, you can see W3-black. W3-black. You can see this is a navigation bar. And let's see the responsive needs. Yeah, it's responsive. You can use for iPhone SE. You can see for 12 Pro. It's working. Perfect, perfect. This is the navigation bar you can see. Even you can change it to the button. You can use that class, the button. Class W3-button. I can add this class to all of them. Now check it your website. Yeah, now it's become like a button, You can see it's very good, very good. So this is how you can use the navigation if you want the mobile first. So you can add the W3-mobile also. It says the W3-mobile class makes you any bar element responsive. Okay, so let's see first our website now. It's not how it's possible now. If you can see now, we don't have that, and it's like that. But if you want to add this, let's see. If you add dash W3 dash mobile here for every element, okay. When you open the website in the mobile phone or your smartphone, it will be much more responsive. And yeah, let's see. Now we don't see any mm, change here, but if you want to see in the mobile, like you can see, it's become responsive. Yeah. So that's the thing. We can use W3 dash or also W3 dash color. You can change the color of the elements, like light gray, you know, dash green. This is the green one, the blue. Yeah, let's check that one. Border navigation. You can use the border. You can use the card if you want. W3 dash card. It's really wow. It's W3 dash card. You can use it. Let's see. W3 dash card. Okay. I hope it will not. Yeah. It's like a card. You cannot see because the background is black. That's the card. You can use the active, the current for this one. Yeah, and also enable links. You can hover. So you can use this button, hover the screen, change the over. Let's see over the screen. Yeah, let's put it this one to our element. If you put this classes in our, if you mouse over, then it will change the green problem. Mm, Save it. Let's see, check our website. Yeah, you can see W3 dash over dash green. It's become, when you over, it become green. Now if you can change it in the inspect element, also it's green, So this is the W3 schools. It's very easy. Progress bar, slideshow, code, image. We have an image here. If you can see, it's responsive images, different types of image. But you can go in this website. You can use an image and you make it the class circle. It will be circle. Border image, W3 dash border. You can use it. We have the icons. You can also use the icons, but you can use other icons like Funabesam icon, Google Ethereal icon, Bootstrap icon with it. You just need to add this library, Funabesam library, then you can add an icon. Like if I want to use the icon, I just copy this. It's a Funabesam link, so I paste here. Try again. And then I want to have an icon for our home tag. So I can say here, like, let's say inside span tag or I tag, whatever. You can use it. Span is better. I want to change if you can see here, I can say classes, like you can use the classes equal to um, fa dash So let's copy this in a second. For the home, I want to have an icon. You can use the I or whatever. If you want to save, you want to see the result, yes. We have home. We have an icon here. You can see home. So you can use the icon like this. You can add. Here is the website. We have animations, different responsiveness, effects, drop downs, pagination, progress bar. models, whatever. So this is the W3 scroll. If you want to like Windows 8 color in your website, you can add the library and you can add it, download the CSS. And this is the CSS for Windows 8, Control C. And I go there in my website, I create a folder here. I call CSS. Inside this, I create a file like the name of the file, whatever you want, style.css, whatever you want, style.css, and paste it this. And now you can use it in your website. If you go there, like link, it's referable to inside CSS, we have style.css. And so now if you want to use like Windows 8 theme for your website, you can use it like this. You just, Windows 8, like let's use this class. This class, I want to use this class, so you can check it. Like I can create a div here. Mhm. Sorry. Okay, this is a form, sorry. This was a form. I need to delete this form first. Okay. So here you can say Dave W3 dash container. I need to have a container. Then inside this maybe two, you can say Windows 8. Windows 8. A P like Windows 8 was the worst is operating system. But we need to add a class here. This class, if you go there, check it the website, our website. Yeah, look at it's like Windows 8. You have the Windows 8 theme on this. So you can use another color, different colors. We have here W3-violet, pink, like this one, Magneta, W3-Win8-Magneta. Okay, let's copy this. You can say Windows, this one should be Windows 10. Change this to Magneta. Magneta. I hope it is correct. No, it's not correct. The name is not correct. Magneta. Oh, copy this. Yeah. If you can see here, you can use it. You can use flat UI, whatever you want. They have different colors, really. This is amazing. You have iOS colors. You can use iOS colors. Look at iOS red, iOS pink. You can use the fashion colors, different colors, color libraries, themes. So, okay, this was our mm, lesson in W3.CSS. I hope it will help you to use this framework in your website. It's really cool framework. I just saw some, how you can use it, but it's an over 1 hour video. Sorry for my bad English, maybe, but I just want to help you. Thank you very much. If you have not subscribed to my channel till now, subscribe it. I need your support. Thanks.